We are now getting down to the cover-up theory the government is trying to prove in the federal case against the Pulse Gunman's widow, Noor Salman.
Today, Omar Mateen's mother and sister took the stand. News 6's Nadine Yanis is live at the federal courthouse, and Nadine, both were very emotional during their testimony.
Lisa, this is probably the most emotional testimony that we've seen here at the trial so far. Omar Mateen's sister breathing heavily during her testimony, almost on the verge of tears as she testified today. Omar Mateen's mom actually did cry as the attorneys were at sidebar at one point. She just sat there and began crying, looking down, making sure she did not look to the right where Noor was sitting.
Is there anything you want to say at all?
No disrespect to privacy.
Omar Mateen's mom, Shala Mateen, walked out of the federal courthouse covered with a floppy hat and an umbrella, not wanting to be seen after she and her daughter, Omar Mateen's sister, took the stand in the case against Noor Salman today. Both emotional and crying at times, testifying to what the government says was Salman's cover story for her husband before the Pulse attack. The government setting up that testimony today with actual forensics this morning. We heard from an FBI information technology specialist who analyzed Mateen's cell phone. The government showing Mateen Googled ISIS almost every day and searched several times for the FBI, afraid of being watched. Within Mateen's cell phone, the FBI also pulled text messages, getting to another key piece in the government's case. This text sent from Salman to Mateen at 7:29 on the night of the Pulse attack, which read, "If your mom calls, say Nemo invited you out and Noor wants to stay home."
The government's theory is that that shows that she knew what his plan was and had a planned story with him in terms of what to tell his mother if his mother asked where she was.
Which Mateen's mom testified today was exactly what her son told her. It wasn't until she went to the mosque that night and learned from Nemo's mom that was a lie. "I wish I knew. I wish I knew," she later told the jury. So even though Omar Mateen's mom and sister were called as government witnesses to testify against Noor Salman, they both said some things that seemed to help the defense in this trial. I'll go more into what we heard from Omar Mateen's mom and sister coming up at 5 o'clock tonight. Lisa.
Nadine Yanis reporting live for us. Thank you. And we have full coverage with everything you need to know about this trial on our website, including our team's minute-by-minute tweets from inside the courthouse. That's clickorlando.com/Noor Salman trial.